What's going on, guys? It's me Adish back again with another video. Hope you guys are doing well, and in today's video I'm going to talk to you about augmented reality. So without any further ado, let's get started and learn something about augmented reality. So let's go. So guys, the augmented reality is meant as the 3D graphically created objects in a computer are put into the real world by some devices of their own, and for people to experience them with a touching to move, gesture, or by sound effects.
This new technology called augmented reality blurs the line between what's real and what's computer generated by enhancing what we see, hear, feel, and smell. On the spectrum between virtual reality, which creates immersive computer generated environments, and the real world, augmented reality is closer to the real world. It adds graphics, sounds, haptic feedback, and smell to the natural world as it exists. Augmented reality is implemented in through some games and apps. Games just like Pokemon Go, which creates an augmented reality experience. The game allows users to see the characters bouncing around, which feels more lively and interesting to play. More games just like this are under development on various platforms as Android, iOS, and gaming consoles, because people can get immersed into the game while playing it, through which they can actually get the feel of the game. Now let me tell you when the virtual reality is compared with augmented reality. There's a huge difference between both these terms. That is, virtual reality is an environment created with computer graphics and 3D for you to involve and experience, whereas augmented is just adding those graphics into the real world without replacing you into it. Here's an example to it. This video is of a person experiencing HoloLens, which is a HUD by Microsoft, that is a head-up display, works on augmented reality, where he switches from different tabs doing his work. With the help of advanced AR technologies, the information about the surrounding real world of the user becomes interactive and digitally manipulable. Information about the environment and its objects are overlaid on the real world.
So guys, that's it for this video. Hope you have liked this video. If you did like this video about augmented reality and the differences between augmented and virtual reality, then please be sure to smash that like button and comment down below on how the video was. And if not, vote it down and let me know in the comment section on how to improve my video. And let me know some video suggestions in the comment section below on what topics should I make videos on. Until I see you in the next one, for now, this is Adarsh signing out.